Yeah, I want to say a big up to the driver of the car that injured Gracie Mugabe. I want to say thank you very much, sir. You are a star. Okay, next time just do something even more spectacular. Okay, ram that thing into a tree or into a concrete wall or break both her legs or something. Thank you very much for that. We don't need Gracie Mugabe. We don't need Robert Mugabe and his retarded pea brain. We don't need them. Our relatives, friends are dying every day on the roads and in hospitals because they are spending all our money. Okay, so we don't actually need them. So next time, Seth, thank you very much for what you did this time. But next time, do something even more spectacular. Don't worry, my drinks are ndotenga my drinks are but please do us this favor. Do us this favor next time when you get the chance. Just please do something more spectacular. Thank you very much for what you did this time, but we expect you to do even more next time, wherever you are. I totally appreciate what you did to her. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.